Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's start in a child's pose. You can either have your legs close together or you can open the knees far apart. Take some deep breaths. Make your way into a tabletop position on hands and knees. Come into your cow pose as you arch your back, looking up at the ceiling. And now cat pose, you round your spine, pushing the mat away from you. Let's take a few more cat cows. Come back to your neutral tabletop as you reach your right arm up, taking some circles with your hand. Lower your right hand back down to the mat as you lift your left arm up, taking some circles with the hand. Lower your left hand down, and now we flip our hands so that our fingertips are facing our knees. And you can rock back and forth, just giving yourself a little wrist stretch here. Face your fingertips back to the top of your mat as you curl your toes under, sending the hips up and back for your down dog. And we just pedal the legs, bending and straightening each leg. Straighten both legs as you press into the palms, working the heels down towards the mat, getting your upper body closer to your legs. Step to the top of your mat, coming into your ragdoll pose, opening your legs, grabbing onto opposite elbows, and swaying gently from side to side. Relax your arms as you close your legs together, and let's bend and straighten our legs here again. Straighten your legs as you step your left foot back for pyramid pose. So your front foot is facing forward, but the back foot is facing the corner. Start bending your front knee, coming into your low lunge. And you can lower down onto that back knee, uncurl the toes, and reach your arms up overhead. You can stay just like this, or you can bring your hands to heart center and twist to the right, maybe looking over that right shoulder. Come back to center, lower your hands, come into your half splits by straightening your front leg, shifting the hips back and flexing the front toes. Make your way back into your low lunge. Step your back foot forward for forward fold. Step your right foot back for pyramid pose. Bend your front knee, coming into your low lunge as you lower down onto that back knee. And we reach the arms up overhead. Hands come to heart center and we twist to the left. Let's come back to center, lower the hands for half splits. Rebend your front knee for low lunge. Step the back foot forward, coming into your forward fold. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine, hands come to shins. Forward fold. Step back into your high plank, and let's lower our knees down onto our mat and lower down onto your belly, coming into your sphinx pose. Pressing through the forearms and the elbows, relaxing the lower body as you look forward. You can stay here, or you can bring your hands to the corners of your yoga mat as you start to straighten your arms. And maybe you walk the hands a little bit closer towards your hips. Come back into your child's pose. Let's have a seat in a cross-legged position. Side body stretch to the right. Lift your left arm up and over. Fold over your right thigh, walking your hands forward. Side body stretch to the left. Fold over your left thigh. And now let's go to the middle, just walking your hands towards the center. We make our way back up. Reach your arms up overhead, maybe touching the fingertips at the top. And bring your hands to heart center as you take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.